Got the torch, baby. The Mojos. Wow, I think I may need a new computer. Having computer issues. Pro Trader Mike with the MOJO Day Trading with the computer issues. My screen, like, it froze, but then it came back. But then it froze, but then it came back. It's like, oh my gosh. And it froze, but now I'm back. Hey, what's going on, peeps, in the MOJO room? Dude, the stock market's what's gonna explode, bruh. The stock market's going to explode. You see me lighting the fuse on that bomb? Lighting the fuse on the bomb, baby. Like, bajam. Lighting the fuse. Oh, it's just a matter of time, dude. I'm lighting the fuse. You see the bomberini. Let me just tell you, a lot of people lose money trading, dude. One day you hate the market, one day you love the market. The next day you're hating the market even more. The next day you're loving the market even more. So let's head over to the main screen. I'll give you an update on the market, tell you where everything is, and then we'll see what's going on with certain stockolas today. Hammer down, hammer time. In the house, in the house. Let's refresh the results in the MOJO room poll. Only got a lovely five results on the MOJO poll, but that's just fine. Let's see what's going on in the market today. 47 minutes to the close. I'm on the DOS Trader platform. Investing, dudes, is like risky. Don't want to be investing if you don't know what you're doing, dude. And you don't want to be investing if you're just following Zachy on Twitter, dude. He ain't responsible for that, dude. He's, everybody has, you don't know how he, just because some guy puts out a couple of great pics on Twitter, you don't go blindly and just like pachang, you don't pachang. Don't pachang. I'll share that, Mr. O'Hager, on the show. So I did this tweet right here. AHT, Zach Morris liked it right here. Busting a move through 5 on AHT right here. Thanks, Zach. Really appreciate the like on that. And right there was busting right through the move up through 507 on 29 million on AHT. And the target's over 10. The target, I picked it at 283. Now it's 507. Went to 714. Sold off a little bit, but it sold off, as much as it went up. If stock goes up 300%, it sells off 100%. That's normal. Then it goes back up 50%. Now it's back up like 100%. That's what it does, man. These kind of stocks. So right here, where's my other little tweet? Look right here. So here you got the red bar on the bottom. Right here. Yesterday's bar right here. His Zach right here. These 2 days, man. Oh. And even this day. They're like, oh my gosh, the hate coming in. It's like, dude, man, it's like, come on, I bought it here. It went up to here. I bought it here, and they all like hate him, But look, today, they love him, and tomorrow, it's like beyond love. They go beyond love, dude, on social media. It's crazy, dude. The love and the hate. Did some good picks today, dude. Kazia, LITB, Grom. See that Grom? That's like a mem stock. Keep an eye on that. Grom. Someone told me about that. Grom. Caught Marin. Had a big old woody. Look at that thing. Went Pa-chang. Pop the woody, baby. Pop the big old woody. Look at that. That was on Marin at $1.80 to $2.90. Marin was smoking. M-R-I-N, dude. Marin. There's the Marin at 282 on 6 million. Marin, I think it traded 150 million today. That was my dinner last night. Had some rotisserie, some broccoli, some stuffing, some Coke, some bread, dude. That was a good meal, dude. I remember that one. I remember that one. Commission-free futures trading is coming. It's called the FairX Futures, dude. It's going to start on June 28th. Right here. Check this out, dudes. This is great. Commission-free trading at Trade of 8 with FairX Futures. FairX is a new futures exchange. Dude, they'll give you paying you, dude. It's the new age. You're going to get paid to trade. Coming soon, intends to offer smaller futures contracts designed for active individual traders. Why do I got to put $10,000 up to trade the futures? Yeah, you can do the micros now and stuff like that, but it's a whole new world, bruh. Individual trade. Why, if it only moves $12.50 every little tiny tick, which is like a pip, a tick in the futures, $12.50 on one tick up and down on one lot. Now let me ask you a question. $12.50. If you're right, you're going to make $100. If you're wrong, you're going to lose $100 or $200. You might even make more if you're right. Okay? You have to put up $12,000 for that. Kidding me? You put up $12,000 in AHT or one of these stocks, you blink your eyes or you go look off the screen for 1 minute, you're down $400. Then it stops you out. You're like, oh my God, it's going to go lower. I'm going to lose all my money. And you sell it. It goes right back up. There's manipulation. No rhyme, no reason. FairX Futures is no commissions, no data fees, no subscription fees, lifetime license. Boom, 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 boom. Shakalaka. Can't wait. And I'll update you when it comes out. Yeah, I will. I'll update you on that when it comes out. Dude, buy the dip. Who bought the dip with Mojo? I wasn't looking, but I went in and bought the dip. Ethereum under 2,000. Bitcoin, I told you I don't like, but look, 2016 on Ethereum. I got Cardano off $1. It's $1.39. Right. Look at some other ones of these. Stellar Lumens. It's still going to go higher. VeChain. Right at 07 is now 08. Tron at 059 is 067. EOS is a great buy at 387, dudes, into Heinz 4. On EOS, it went to 13. EOS is a blockchain in itself. I could write you a whole story and give you prayers and all this crazy stuff. You know, I'm doing the Mojo show right now in the Mojo room. I appreciate the messages, I really do. But I'd rather you come watch me on the Mojo show. You may, learn some great things or some picks or some stocks to buy or picks, stocks to buy or stocks not to buy. Let's see what went on in the Mojo room today. We only got 5 results in the MOJO Day Trade room. Show video playlist? What's that? Oh no, that's not that. How come that's on my screen like that? It's weird. Oh, another message in the Mojo room. Yeah, if you check out the Mojo room, you always see my postings right there for the Mojo show. Would love you to come by and check that out. I'm always on the Mojo show, live doing the Mojo show. So there you go. There's a link for it. You should always subscribe to my channel, especially the people in my chat room, because If you subscribe to my channel, then when I go live, you get notified. That's cool. Decred's 110. So Decred's an interesting coin. Did some research last night on Decred. Decred's a Blake 256R algorithm coin. Did you write that down? Did you write that down? Blake 256. Blake. You got the Blake algo. Right? Decred's priced at 110. What is Decred? Decred right here. Lightning network, real fast. Proof of work, proof of this and proof of that. How is the Decred network secured by MOJO and the Decred treasury? 10% of the rewards are stored in the treasury. It's a voting organization. And where is the miners? Here we go. Miners receive 60% of the reward after successful mining. Miners get a lot of this coin. See this coin? So let me show you right here. If you go to ASIC miner value right now, they have this machine called the micro bit miner D1 right here, and it makes $144 a day, and it mines Decred. It mines the Blake 256 algorithm. It pumps out 2200 watts of electricity. It's the Blake 256R algorithm, and that algorithm mines Decred, the $110 coin. And if you look at this baby, the profitability is $4,000 a month. It only costs, that's not it. It says 13 grand, but that's not it. I found it for $1,500. Right here. The micro miner right here. Here's one right here, see? The micro BT right here is $1,500. So you'd break even in 10 days, dude. And they've got a discount on the top right there for 10% off. So you'd get 150 off. It's the Blake R. It's the 55 terahashes. It's got 55 terahash Decred miner. Dude. This is the one. This is it. This is the Shack Daddy. So dude, that's some good mining right there, bro. So MOJO's on the cusp of the mining. You're mining Decred at $109 a coin, making $144 a day. So if you go $144 a day times 30 days is $4,320 a month, minus the $1,500 it cost you to buy it. You're making $2,820 in the first month. Bang, 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 shakalaka, bang, bang. What do you think of that, boys and girls? That's an education in itself right there. Saving you in the futures with the money right there. Showing you how to make money. Crypto mining on Decred right there. What else you need to know? What else you want to know? What else you guys want to know? Damn, being right. Mojo's on the roll. Let's head over to the newsletter. Let me post my results for the room. How come this video play with stupid things showing? Here we go. Check this baby out. Those are the MOJO results right there for today's poll. How do you like that? The Heinz and Master, Jordy Pearl. What's up, Jordley? What's going on, dude? You on that YouTube, Mr. Jordley. Seen you on that. You look at that. Look at that SQQ. 954. Traded it off the low, 939. I printed that for sure. The MOJO Day Trading Show. Alright, so the Dow's up 326 today. Can you freaking believe it? Again. I'm lighting the fuse, baby. And I may miss a day. I may be off a day, but I don't think so. Did you know there was a block of SQQQ that went off this morning? 1.5 mojillion. Look at this. Nice job in the Mojo room, guys. Nobody losing money again on the new poll. Beautiful. 500 to 1,000. 0 to 500. More than 1,000. Look at this block, dude, that went off this morning. Pretty unbelievable. Here it is this morning right here. 1 point we already made by in futures at 8:30 this morning. I would have held that position, forget about it. That was at it was actually at 954. It's exactly where it is right now. It's funny. It's the exact same price it's at now. And this just happened. It went off at 970, 1.5 million share block. Right there, 1.5 million. Went off. Cha-ching in the ring ring. Oh my gosh, goodness gracious me. Dude, look how good the quality of the video and the voices in the room since we've upgraded and perked up the Mojo room. Batman, how come you got no perk next to your name, brother? You making all that money every day? You haven't lost on one pick? Scroll up to the top in that level thing, that little diamond up there, and click that for me. And become a badge next to your name, brother. And get that prime badge. Give the room a little perks. Give me a surprise, maybe 2 perks. And let's get the room to the next level. The room right now is on 16 boosts. I'm on level 2. Right now I want to move to level 3, where I get 100 emojis, better audio quality, 384. A better URL for the server that I'm on, and upload more uploads for the members. And you get the badge. The badge actually is right here, shows becoming a member, shows off a new member list, new profile badge that evolves over time, and you get exclusive boosts and bonuses. Look, and that's how you do it. You go right there, boom. And you can boost it. You can come down and boost it once for $3. Do it, dudes. Come on now, emojis. So we making dollars in the room, dude. We making MRIN dollars through 3. Look at that. MRIN 298. Marking 14,350 is 953 by 54. It's 55 right now. Here we go. Oh, this is Moj. 2,880 right there for the Moj. Up 52 ticks. That's beautiful trades right there this morning at 952. And then it started to drop. Some halts today. Stocks that halted today were IMRN. It halted with news pending. Code T1. Fulcrum Therapeutics halted. CRBP halted. We traded DBGI today. That was a really good one. Bond halted. DBGI halted. This chat room is amazing, dude. You want to join the Mojo chat room, guys? Just go to mojodaytrading.com and join the team below. There's also a special link for a BOGO offer in the description below where you can get the chat room and the newsletter for one. That's what's going on today. Here's another report. Went down a little bit, 185, and then back up, 2,337 right there. Beautiful. Lunchtime. Mojo show at 2. Happened at 3. Cool. Missed the poll, but made great money today. Thank you, Mr. Gilbert. Hey, you need an avatar, bruh. Do you know how to do an avatar? In your description, in your little gear. If you go into information right here, I think it could be a testimonials, song playlist. Support, announcements, disclaimers, no. Subscriptions. Here's the Mojo room. I'm just looking for I'm looking for the channel actually. So there's 266 members in the Mojo room. Here's the rules of the room. I think it may be in here. No. Nobody will ever direct message you guys. Actually, I send you a direct message. We communicate in the beginning. This way, you know that me and you are messaging. Then if anyone ever goes and makes an impersonation of me and tries to copy you, it won't be the same message. It'll be a new message. You'll know it ain't them. My goal is 1,000 members. My announcements: MOJO Trading, Day Trading is an investing service teaching traders and providing the highest quality alerts and updates. We cover stocks, futures, options, and crypto. Enjoy the room and be profitable. Pro Trader Mike. There's the disclaimers of the room. You got to be cordial and do the right things in the room, guys. There's the rules. Subscriptions right there to the room, $149 a month. Testimonials, Alan's the best. You can't lose $30,000 trading the likes of Uber, Twitter, and AMD, but you sure can with the likes of some other crap stocks, that's for sure. Photo album. Ooh, I'm playing today, but yeah, I shouldn't be playing today at 5:30. Song playlist. This plays great songs in the Mojo room. Social media. My teachings in Mojo University. Let's scroll back. I'll teach you one thing. I won't look. I'll stop. And when I stop, I'll teach it to you. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 4 3/4, 5. Right here. I'll teach you this. Can I send the link? Can I send the link? Here we go. Mining. There's a mining computer right there. See that? So I ended up on mining. On mining. And you can see right here, I'm mining right there. Let's go take a look. I'm on number 1,200 Ethereum. I got a share rejected in there, see that? Mining Ethereum on the graphics cards, the GPUs, at 36.92 megahertz. On the other screen, right, I'm mining with the hard drive Monero. With that machine right there with these two cards. I got fans all over. Running them right there. One's a little hot, one's a little not. Always mining the crypto. So That computer's good for business and it's good for work. Rah, baby. You know that action, the mojo be raced. What did I even have that on there? Oh, I don't even know if I had that on there. I think I did. Let me check it out and go back to the chat room. Oh no, because it was on that, so I didn't. So let me show you again, no problem. It only takes a second. Here you go. So right there is the Shack Daddy machine. Mining Ethereum. That one's mining Monero. Every time you see a green line go by, it's accepting a share, and I've confirmed the transaction on the blockchain. And I just made money with my computer and electricity that I paid for. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. It rains Bitcoin like all the time. It rains. Let me fix my So here's my garage. Got a couple of rigs in the garage as SQQ rises to a new high at 957, dudes. 957. Quite amazing. It's 3:30. How can you follow my trading? By coming to the Mojo room. Let me hook you up with a link to my Discord and a chat room ticket, because you can come follow. There's one in the description below, but there you go, baby. Come on by and come and say hi. Come on by and come say hi in the chat room. And let me show you back that chat room, because dudes, I have my thing for the garage right there. At the end of the day, it can't end quick enough. Can't end quick enough. So that's that was happening right there. Here's some downloads. Go to speedtest.net, guys. www.speedtest.net, and run a speed test for your internet connection. You should have my upload and download is right there. 529 on the down, 390 on the up. That's what you need. Swing trading channel right here. DLPN at 73 cents is 70 bucks. Can you believe that one's 70 bucks? No, it's 9 bucks. The other one's 70 bucks. Damn. Now let's do an update on the swings. FPH at 804. Right here. FPH is 805 by 807 on the daily chart. It looks pretty spanky nice. It's actually got a nice little cup and handle right here. Zach, what do you think about that? Little cup and handle for the break. There's your little cup. There's your little handle. Very solid, playing in one direction for the break through the top of this. And that right there is 9 bucks. Once it touches 9, should go to 10. And that's FPH. It's called 5-point holdings. Here's the pick. They're going to increase earnings estimates from a loss of a penny. So you have the C and the A right here. The Ken Slim. Beautiful quarterly earning there, beautiful earning there, and a beautiful earning there. And they're going to go from a loss of a penny to making 37 cents. Huge growth. And here's your little cup and handle right there. at $8. Very high relative strength. And I think you'll be happy taking that play. That's FPH. And they in the biomed industry. Let me show you another good one right above it. HBP. See it on the daily right here, this nice little green bar. If you would have been in the newsletter, you would have got in on the red bar. Let me show you. So FPH is called 5-point holdings. They're going to increase earnings estimates. Oh, this is the one I just showed you, right? No, here it is. HBP. This is the one. It's called Huttig Building Products. Huttig. HBP. They're in the retail wholesale building products industry. It's my Sunday newsletter pick at $5.41. Looking for the move over Hines or through par 6, keeping 6 range as the stop line. Testing the 2 red circles of $5.63 and $7. Volume actually has decreased from 139 from 298. The float is 27.4 million and the funds are 25%, and you're going to do a 5-to-1 risk reward. And the stock's 541 today. It is $5.80, heading up towards the 6. It's up 4.7%, and it is moving very, very nicely on that one. Very, very nicely. So the next one, to update my Mojo Swing Trade newsletter Mojos, is right here. Let me just move this over right there. Click this. CYAN. It's called Cyanotech. What happened? My screen went out. Hold on, let me refresh. I'm not doing buy, sell, hold. Something just happened to my thing. Not doing buy, sell, and hold. Cyanotech, CYAN, going from a loss of 62 cents to a loss of 6 in a base breakout with only 6.1 million in the float at 298. They're in the cosmetics personal care industry. I'm looking for the move over $3 Heinz, keeping 3 as the stop. Base breakout as volume has increased 749% to 569,000 shares, up from 56,000 shares. Looking for the base breakout on this thing, ready to skyrocket way up and set some new highs like that. Cyanotech, CYAN. Let's take a look at it on the main screen. CYAN is 281 right here on the daily. The other day it went up to 319, but no. Looking for it to go above right here, 325, and head on up. Look at this. Look at that daily, dudes. Base and breakout, Zachy Bamps. Look at this move up, homie Scalomi. That's beautiful, dude. Cyanotech, and it's Ken Slim action. Got strong current earnings, amazing annual sales. It's got something amazingly new. It's got something new. It's got, they are a dietary supplement and antioxidant derived from microalgae for the health market. Could be a humongous, revolutionary health cure using microalgae. And then you got this one, research solutions in the commercial services research market, providing customers with access to millions of newly published articles per year. It's like a content library, and look how this thing is base and breakout. Look at this little cup, long handle, inside another cup and handle, Gonna go rip these two top circles right there, which is 279 and 277. Going for the mini Heinz, keeping 250 as the base, up 719% in volume at $2.50. Sunday night mojo swing pick at 250. Where is it now? 281. There it is. RSS 280, making a move higher. As you can see, look at this beautiful move in the last couple of days for the Mojo squad. It's a very, very good thing to be in the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. It comes out every Sunday evening. It's sent in beautiful PDF format. You go to mojodaytrading.com. You go to the newsletter. I also have a crypto newsletter. When I send out the stock one, I'll send you that one too. When I send them out, they're good. I'll show you the last two as an example. Coming to the Swing newsletter. These are the new picks from Sunday night. And I got some cryptos. Five new picks on 6/21. So check it out. Look at that boat. Bam, see them smash that wave? Crazy, right? Bitcoin hitting stormy weather, dude, right? Bringing other quality coins down. Mojo hashtag BFTD, buy the effing dip on some quality coins, in my opinion, will be making new highs once again. Ethereum at 1951. Cardano on the dip down there at $1.27. VeChain at the 08. Tron at the 0.95, and the Raven coin at 0.5. There's the Mojis right there on the crypto newsletter. And then you got the Swing newsletter. Click on here, baby. My pleasure. Message me in my message there, Zach, after you do a like on the post, because the pics are just... I'll email, put you in the newsletter. If you're not in it already, who knows? A la grats on the Moj. Here's the newsletter. Page 1, swing trade. Page 2, the structure on how the newsletter should work. Read that. What trade plays? What is the trade play that we do, the Heinz? How it rolls through the even number and the percentages of move and adding ability through those. Beautiful. The structure of the newsletter, how to buy and do 3 buy entries and scale out like you love to do. The rules of the newsletter like I like to do, and you don't let people rely on us to take profits, bro. Watch the price action, watch the volume. If you're up 20%, 50%, 100%, depending upon the time, when it went, how quickly it happened, sell half of the position, man. It reduces your cost basis. You're riding on house money, and you don't have to worry so much. Then you can raise the mental stop on where you sold. So if you bought it at 2 and you sold it at 6 and it goes to 8 and now it's back at like 7, just don't let it go below 6. You sold the first one at 6. You know what I'm saying? Because if it's going to 6, it's going to 5, then you can sell it at 6 and rebuy it at 5 because you bought it at 2. Mojo uses mental stop losses. I don't like sticking the orders in the system where the money honey grubbers from Wall Street could see them. I do a market analysis. Do you see the bomb? Summertime trading is here. Volume is slowing down. The market's cautious. Friday, the markets were down 500. The next day, they were up 600. If they would have been down, forget about it. Forget about it. It's looking bearish right now. The fuse is long. But I lit it. Be careful. I'm going to help you gain perspective in the newsletter by going over high quality growth stocks. Pro Trader Mike looks for strong stocks that are in play or gonna be in play. Stocks that are resisting pullbacks, exhibiting great chart patterns, and are ready to move higher, showing you how to recognize signs to point to new leading industry groups and stocks moving higher within them. Mojo Swing Trade newsletter is ready to act when the market leaders break out. This week, Pro Trader Mike has identified 6 picks from smallest to largest in price. All the charts look good and have a catalyst to move either into a 50 or a 00 Heinz. Set alerts on each one and trigger buys only as they move higher. And you got Brooks Koepka, my man, says, as DeChambeau walks by in the background. He doesn't follow MOJO Day Trading, and he should. Idiot. Real idiot. Top 6 picks. ATHX at $1.50. Look at this one. It's going to go from a loss of 42 cents to a loss of 9 cents. That's a 400% increase from 2021, Zach, to 2022. And analysts have increased estimates for next year right there. So I know this year will blow away. They have a larger float, which I'm not too crazy about, but look at the circles. $1.98 break, $1.82 break, goes to $3 and tests right there, $2.34. You got a solid base right here on these 2 circles at $1.56, $1.50. You have these 2 circles at $1.53 and $1.56. So it's so solid down here on the bottom. The last quarter, 1.3 million in sales versus 100,000. That's 1,000% increase. And right here in this quarter, they did 338% increase. So this thing has got some volume coming in. It's the biggest volume bar across the whole entire spectrum. It should go up and test, and it's called ATHX in the medical, biomed, biotech industry. The next one was GERN because it traded 3,800% increase in volume to 348 million. We're going to buy the dip, and it's going to go retest these 2 circles and this one, which is $2.04, $2.35, and $2.20, and it's at $1.80 range. So once it breaks 2, hot chew, watch out. Going from beautiful to even more beautiful. GERN. Then I got the RSSS, 26 million in the float, beautiful 200% increase in their earnings, going from a loss to a gain. Little cup and handle, little breakout above 250 to go test these 2 circles, 279 and 277. Where is it now? 280. It's right at the circle, the Z-man. Look at this one, CYAN. That's the one I showed you. Also base breakout through 3, then HBP and FPH. That was my newsletter, bros. Every Sunday, be my pleasure to hook you up with it. Let me show you right here some results for the month for June that we've done with the newsletter. Booked a couple of profit tours because I think the market's going to like that. So we're down 335, we're down 25, and we are up, we're up 335. These are green machine. So when I updated that, everyone got an email because I made a change to the sheet. If you're in the Swing newsletter, you have access to this Google Drive. Shows you every tab for 9 years, month by month. So right here, we still have Naked. I'm not Naked. We have that stock called Naked Brand Group. 62 cents at 68. Stop I'm raising right now to 65. Worst we can do on it is make a profit. FAMI at 45 is 50. It's up 10%. The worst I can do on it is 48 and make a profit if we correct. Next one, Pixelworks is a semiconductor stock, and the semiconductors are doing well. Keep an eye on these. Pixelworks. 345, it's down 3%. Setting the limit at 315. AEHR 255 is 263. Setting the stop now at even, 255. Won't lose on it. RESN, setting it at 325. CRE is now up, heading to Heinz 100. It was down. Now she's up. 3%, headed through Heinz 100. It's a bigger stock. You could play options on it. Break even is even at 95. Can't lose on it now. Actually, let's put 96. We'll make 1 point, worst case scenario. IPDN down 4 cents. Putting the stop right there at $1.65. Prague from 306 is 350. Been to 374 today. Putting the trail on that at 345. PTIX already sold some right there, but it still got a little bit because it went up big the other day. We're going to put the trail stop on that at $3. Icon up 3%. We're going to put the trail stop at 305. This one's about even. That one's about even. This one is ATHX, what I just showed you, $1.48. Gurn up 1.9. RSS up 9. Cyan up 1. HBB up 5.6 and 5 Point Holdings 0.87. Lulu got rid of at 360. It's today 361. It was picked on June 1st at 319. David's Tea picked at 388, sold 488. So we have 20 picks, 20 wins, average gain 37%, average hold 7 days. Vaxart, Novan, Carve, Wissa, Eyes, LEDS, BBIG at 283, sold at 5. AHT have in there at 430, sold at 605. In 6 days, made 40%. See, sold it at 605, guys. That's where you got to sell it. AMC picked at 25, sold at 65. Zaki made $24 million on that. Better ask somebody. Con, does this look familiar? Is this a Zach pick? BBIG. Is this a Zach pick? AHT. AMC. Fubo, Workhorse, Naked. Let's go other ones and show you. You know what I'm saying? FAMI, ITRM, right here, from $1.45 in the newsletter on 5/27. So actually on 5/27, guys, right here. I picked the following. I picked Workhorse at $9. I picked Blink at 34. It's 42. This one's 16. I picked BBIG at 283. I picked Naked at 62 cents. David's Tea at 388. Con at 23 and Lulu at 323. Look, the same cup and handles as the others, a cup and handle and a cup and handle. Stock's huge up here now. Lulu. Look, Ken Slim. I usually don't pick them that big. Look, increase earnings estimates for 2 years. The Z-Man, they're going to go from making $4.70 to making $6.50 to making $8.04. Lululemon, the women's clothing, at 323 with a double cup and handle. Increase earnings estimates for the next 2 years and these 2 quarters, beautiful. That's half a can Slim in a basket, dude, on a big one. So Mojo swing picks are on fire. 20 out of 20, 100%. Last month, 18 out of 7, average 9.7, not that great. Last month before that, 13 picks out of 9, average 9. been tough. This month's been much better, and I've been not big on the picks as I was in the past. Here's March, 13 out of 13 for 30%. Here's February, 14 out of 14 for 100%, a 27% average gain right there. And here's February, 100%, 13 out of 13. I did CSCW for 160%, and BGI for 54 was the big winners that month. February, I did NSPR for 64%, Reeds for 20, SIN for 42, NBEV for 39, Shrax for 25. In January of this year, nailed Avenger for 70%, 47%, 38%, 44%, 46%. Here's ITRM, Zach, at 99 cents. So I know I picked it first, but it's all good because I want to shed the love and make you the first B-illionaire out there and say, yo, yo, no more Mr. Millie. Yo, 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 Mr. Billy now. Mr. Billy. Mr. Billy, check it out. PTE, 98% on Ship-a-Dippa, Shraxa-Maxa, Ship-a-Dippa. Let's go to December when it was Christmas time. Stonemore, 41, 29, 21. Oh, I got a loser. 19 and 19. Dogs. Look at the dogs, dude. I was a dog. But look at these. 139% on AEZS. 65% on Super League Gaming. Love these stocks, dude. Jack Specific, my pick. Jackie Jacks. Love them. Mojo Swing Trade newsletter, folks. In the link below, you get this. It's $149 a month for these picks. You get them every Sunday, and I give you a subscription to the chat room also. Peace. That's what happened today in the Mojo room. And the Mojo picks. Let's see where we closed. 52 week. We got a red cross. Check it out. See that? 2 days in a row. Guys, in my experience, this is the Red Cross. You know what the Red Cross does, though. They come and save the day. They pick up the bloodbath and clean it all up to send her higher, bro. SQQQ be headed back towards $10. You know why? Because at $9.39, if it wasn't going back to 10, it would be at $9.07 heading towards 9 right now. And you could take that and put that in the bank. Thank you, Mojos. Peace. Keep it profitable. I'll see you on the next show. You learned about the bomb of the market. You learned about stocks. You learned about crypto. You learned about mining. You learned about a lot of great things, dude. Great job.
So you're saying I can ask this cat any question?
The cat is connected to the computer. You just type in the question, it will read his mind. There the answer comes.
You're the man! I've been looking for this for weeks.